I warmly welcome you all to the 16th Philippine Food Expo. The only all Filipino and beverage show in the country is back.
We are ready to officially open the 16th Philippine Food Expo 2024 is set to mobilize the agri-food sector in addressing food security while working towards economic growth.
Through this expo, the department aims to strengthen access of food producers to critical markets and strengthen linkages and esprit de corps among them.
Actually po, sobrang nag-enjoy po kami. Alata naman po sa amin. Since from the entrance pa lang po, sobrang accommodating na po ng mga nag-welcome sa amin.
I hope it's not just for local. Maybe after the local market, maybe we could go international. And with our PhilFoodX platform, hopefully we could do that and help the micro, small and medium industries, manufacturers to go to have that goal.
This year's Expo, with spotlight innovation and tradition, is also a relevant bridge to strengthen the interest in the productivity of the agriculture towards modernization.
Napakalaking opportunity yung Food Expo sa mga maliliit and beginning entrepreneurs.
With your collaborative effort, it is within our sight. And I hope, and with the banking on your cooperations, so that at least we could achieve that goal. Local brand, going international.
Ang galing mo kapatid kailanman, kung bansa ngayon ay kakantay. Kanta na Pilipinas, ipakita na ang galing ng Pilipino. Kanta na Pilipinas, oh, kanta na Pilipinas.
This will be an exciting days for all of us. Again, congratulations to the PhilFoodX and its partners for another successful gathering of local producers, manufacturers, and exporters for the promotion of the local food and beverage industry.
After the 3 days, there's such amazing crowd joining us, of course, checking on our products.
Masaya siya at saka enjoy talaga. Mostly mga students din yun nandito, and maganda doon is yung new generation na tatap namin to experience our product.
Medyo mataas din po yung sales din. Ang dami rin po natutuwa dahil healthy snack po yung pinopromote namin na product.
So we encourage you. It's a great opportunity to be here po in the Food Expo.
For the second year, we are so grateful and much appreciated of all the efforts and hard work, diligence, and wit of our university partner for the Culinary Challenge program of the Philippine Food Expo. Maraming salamat at isang masigabong palakpakan sa inyong lahat sa pag-aangat ng pagkaing Pilipino.